In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a new sheet in LibreOffice Calc quickly and easily. This is a simple but very useful skill, especially if you're working with multiple sets of data, organizing reports, or separating information into different tabs inside one spreadsheet. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful LibreOffice tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. If you already have a file open, you can simply use your existing spreadsheet. Once your spreadsheet is open, take a look at the bottom of the window where the sheet tabs are located. This is where all of your spreadsheet sheets are displayed. To add a new one, just click the plus icon, also shown as a plus sign near the sheet tabs. As soon as you click it, LibreOffice Calc will instantly insert a brand new sheet into your workbook. That's it. No extra menus, no complicated setup, and no waiting around. This is one of the fastest ways to expand your spreadsheet when you need another page for calculations, notes, tracking, or organizing data by category. You can repeat this process anytime you need more sheets, and each new sheet will appear right alongside your existing tabs at the bottom. If you want, you can also rename the sheet later by right-clicking the tab, but for now, the main thing to remember is that the plus button is the quickest way to insert a new sheet in LibreOffice Calc. So to recap, open LibreOffice, open or create your Calc spreadsheet, and then click the plus icon near the sheet tabs at the bottom. A new sheet will appear immediately, and you're ready to keep working. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple software tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.